Now let us see how the ebooks are sold on Kindle. See, all of these books, they are on Kindle ebooks available on Amazon Kindle. You will see the books with the price of $1.99. This is 9.99, 1.99, 1.99. Most of the books you will find less than $2, 0.99, 0.99. Like all the other online marketplaces, Amazon also gives a lot of importance to the rating here, which your consumer or your reader gives you, and this rating determines the position or the ranking of your book, and that ranking determines how many books you can sell every day. Now let me just explain this in detail. Like suppose this book here, Someone You Love Is Gone, the price of this book is 2.29, 38 used, and if you come down you will see the ranking. Now this book's ranking is 2324. With the ranking there is a software where you can find out how many books this author is selling. So let us go to that. You come to Google and you type KDP sales calculator. In KDP sales calculator you will have, there are so many who are providing this service. I like this one better. You click. Now here you come down. Now this is Kindle bestseller calculator. Our books ranking is, our books ranking is 2324. If we put 2324 here, we will find out 2324. Click 84 books. Now this publisher is selling 84 books per day. $2 a book, that is roughly what, 160 $168 per day. It's a good number, very good number. Now if we see, getting ranked high on Amazon Kindle is not easy. It requires a lot of hard work. You see here, these are the best selling books. If we choose this one, the price again is $1.99, 1.99, and if we go down just to see the ranking, it's 6734 ranking. Still this ranking is very high. Amazon has millions of books, and even if your ranking is less than 10,000, even if it is 15, 20,000 or 30,000, still you will be able to achieve your target. Let us find out how. We'll go to the calculator again. We'll put in the calculator 30,000. Suppose you publish a book and your book's ranking is 30,000, which is too low. But let us see what it does. Still 10 sales. Still you will get 10 sales. To achieve your target of earning $5,000 a year, you roughly need 6 to 7 sales a day. So even if your ranking is less than 30,000, you will be able to meet that. Now here, if you sell 7 ebooks, each book for $2 royalty, if your book price is 2.99 or 2.90, your royalty 70% is roughly $2. So if it is $2 a book, 7 books a day, it's $14 per day, and in a month you will have $420, and in a year you will have $5,040. Easily achievable target. If you cannot achieve this target with one book, you can do it with 2 books, you can do it with 3 books. And if you want to increase your profit revenue, you just increase the number of books to publish. There is no limit. And there are other ways. You can publish it on KDP Direct as well as KENP. And I will explain in detail how to have more than one stream to sell on Kindle your book, so you will earn more.